This is a training video on how to build forms using Joomla and the RSPro forms. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is go to the Components menu and RSFormPro and Manage Forms. Okay, you'll see that there's already an example out here. What we're going to do is we're going to go in and make a copy of that. So put a check mark and select Copy. Okay, so here is my copy. I'm going to click and go into this. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to name this form. This particular form is going to be called Resume Book Request. Alright, I'm going to copy and paste that. And while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and edit the thank you message. And I'm going to go off screen for just a minute and copy and paste the information that I was sent. Place in the thank you message. Alright, save and close there. Now we have a thank you message, a thank you. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and save what I have so far. To save what I have so far, I'm going to hit apply. The apply just saves a snapshot of what you have. If I hit save, it'll actually save the whole form and close it. But I don't really want to close it, so I'm just going to hit apply. Okay, now this is my copy of the form that we made from earlier. And I want to go in here and take out the information that I really don't need. Company size, position, contact by, when we want to contact, and the footer. We won't be using any of those fields. So let's hit remove, 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 and remove. Okay, so full name and email. We already have those two in there. So let's start adding some more. Let's see, we're going to need a phone number. Whoops. I clicked in the wrong spot. Pardon that. Okay. Phone. And I'm just going to take and copy this. The name field, try this again. Pardon me, I seem to be having some issues with my mouse here. The name field is actually the name of the field. The caption, however, is what the user that is looking at this form will see. For example, I could name this phone number for the name field and only name it phone for the caption, and the only thing you'll see in the form or the user would see filling it out, it wouldn't be phone number, it would just be phone. So, but I would just go by and explain that while we're going through here. Okay, and I'm going to decrease my size just a little bit. We'll keep a few extra spaces in there in case we have any international calls. Alright, now for each field I create, I need to save that. Okay, so now we have a phone field. Okay, we need a school name or school system field, so I'm going to make that a text box. School name or school system. I'm going to make that just a little bit bigger than the rest. And we're going to save it. Okay. Now my next one has several different choices, so I think on that one maybe we'll go with a checkbox group. Okay, let's see. Yeah, and I'm going to jump off screen and just copy and paste all the different areas. And I may have to clean that up just a little bit. And then make those vertical. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to save that. Oops, I better go back in and actually edit that. Let's go in and take out the spaces. That didn't work quite like I thought it would. Yeah, it's just been faster to type them in, huh? Alright, let's save and see if that looks a little bit better. Oh, I still have a space after special education. Let's go fix that. Okay, there we go. There's our checkboxes. And they wanted one additional. Under request, we're going to call this request other. And I want to take out the comma there. Okay, request other, control copy. If not listed above. And I'm going to put a colon after that. Hit save. Okay, so that's the end of my form. I am going to go in and put some information in the header. It's almost identical to what we placed in the thank you page, but just a quick introduction to this form. So I'm going to go in and edit my header. Well, actually, I'm going to save this since my mouse is still not cooperating with me. Okay, well, in that case, I'll just create a new header. Alright, to create a header, it's just going to be, well, there we go. Okay, thank you for just in the type resume book. Okay, all that looks good. I'm going to put a little bit of space right there. And a period after the end. Well, it still didn't put my header in there. Let me go back and try that one more time. Seems I'm having some issues here. All right, let's see, free text. Here we go. Going to name this header. Yay, there we go. Okay, we want our header in the first available ordering. So name, email, phone. Oh, submits out of line. We'll put that at the very, very end. What I'm doing is I'm just putting a numerical order on them and hitting the save button, and that actually jumps them to the place in the form where they should go. And let's see. All right, I think that is all on our form. So I'm going to hit save. Go back in. I have a few more items that I need to go in that I'm not actually going to do in the video for security purposes, to change who it's emailed to and information such as that. But I think this is the end of our form and the end of this training video, and thank you for watching.